Hi everyone, Yan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. First of all, I want to apologize for the camera orientation. I was not thinking. Today I wanted to resin these test pieces, and I realized that the canvases were sagging a lot, as you can see. I'm trying to show you, unfortunately, with one hand holding the camera is a little bit hard to do it, but I am sure you can get the idea. I came up with an excellent idea to prevent the resin puddling in the middle. Look at this one. I've already inserted my little pieces of cardboard, and this is what I want to show you how I did that. It is not moving. There's no sagging at all. These are cheap canvases that I bought for testing. They are 18 by 24 centimeters. And as you can see, there is a big gap between the canvas and the frame. On more professional canvases which I would be using for my actual pieces, they are much more stretched, and I just spray them with water on the back to make sure that they are tight when I do paint on them. But for these test canvases, it's another story. I decided to cut out 4 pieces of cardboard for each canvas. And since they are 18 by 24 centimeters, I deduct 2 centimeters from height and width. So that would be 16 by 22, and divide that by 2 again. Then you make 4 pieces that are 8 centimeters by 11 centimeters. And that will ensure that you can actually slide them in between the canvas and the frame, and you will still have a little gap in the middle of the canvas on the back, so that they don't overlap. So I'm cutting out 12 pieces in total, and this is what I then do to the 2 of the edges on each piece. You squeeze them with your thumb, or between your index finger and your thumb, and then make sure that they get as flat as possible. Otherwise they'll make a little ridge on the edge of the canvas. So yeah, squeeze them tight, and then go ahead and slide them into on the back of the canvas. And this is how you do that. Simply just push them in between the canvas and the frame. It's very easy. Not much. Go. 4 times. And that makes a very sturdy canvas. They will not sag at all. They won't move. It worked wonderfully. Fill them in, and here comes the last one. I will show you a video later where I put the resin on. So yeah, now I'm squeezing the edges, and please wear rubber gloves for this. Resin will react to greasy fingers or fingerprints. Yeah, I wasn't thinking here, but yeah, that is definitely recommended that you use rubber gloves. This is it. This is the video. I want to thank you again for joining me. Please do leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I would love it if you would leave a comment for me. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.